So, hey, in part two, we are going to look at the second principle of influence from Robert Cialdini's book, Influence. And this is the principle of scarcity. So, essentially, what that means is people tend to put more value on items that are in short supply or scarce. And so, typical example for this will be if you go shopping on Amazon, you'll typically see that they do this. Either I'm not sure if they're being truthful or if they're just making stuff up, but typically they'll say only 6 remaining of these items, or only 2 or only 3 remaining. And what they're trying to get you to do is make you think that that product that you're looking at is more valuable because it's in big demand by other people. And so the principle of scarcity really preys on people's fear of losing something. So they think that there's something within their grasp, but because there's only so few of those available that they might lose out on it. And that makes them take this little mental shortcut in decision making and propels them down the path of acquiring that product. So for something that you might want to do at work, again, you can there are two ways to take advantage of the scarcity principle. If you are proposing an idea, for example, you could show that there is a limited time and that people, if they want to buy into that, they need to act quickly. So that sense of feeling a need to act quickly might push them towards saying yes to the idea and buying it, just because they think that if they wait too long, they might lose the chance to get that. Again, you can also present anything you're trying to sell to people as limited supply. That is, there's not that many of them available. And again, that'll make people more likely to want to possess whatever you're trying to give them, whether it's a physical thing or if it is some kind of idea that they have to say yes to and buy into. So that really is how scarcity works. And thank you for watching.